Hello everyone, this printer is Brother DCP-L2620DW. I'm going to show you how to connect this printer and your computer using a USB cable connection. Take this part of the USB cable, go to the back of the printer and connect it on this port, the port on the bottom on your right side. Hook the cable, then take this end of the cable, connect it to your computer, and you hear a tune to show you that it dictated the connection. Then the next thing you need to do is you need to go to your laptop settings. So go to your window start, select window start, go to settings, then select printers and scanners, then add device. So it's going to search for available device. The printer is found. You look for Brother DCP-L2620DW printer. Select on it. It's showing us idle, open print queue, print test page, or printer property. So select print test page. Window printer test page. You have correctly installed your Brother DCP-L2620DW printer on laptop. USB 027 data raw. So this is how to connect this printer and your laptop together using a USB cable and print out a test page. Thank you very much indeed.